Hey everyone, it's Kim from Dream Build Academy, and today I want to talk about everything and the kitchen sink. I could create literally 10 videos on what new products to put in your kitchen because there's so many great things out there right now. As I was going through the archives of my memory bank and thinking about the kitchens that I've done in the last couple years, there was one product that popped to mind. Almost every home that I did in the last 3 or 4 years, I used this particular product. Specifically, it's a supersized kitchen sink. It's not the most glamorous thing in the kitchen, but this big, beautiful beast is pretty sexy. I found it at the Kitchen and Bath Show a couple of years ago. It's one of the industry shows that we go to. Look at this beauty. You're probably having the same reaction that I did. What the heck is it and where do I get one? Well, there are several companies that are making these right now. My two favorite are the Galley.com. I'm going to focus on that in this video, but I also love Julien's smart workstations. And let me just clarify, I have no affiliate links on here right now. I just happen to adore both these brands and their products. So the Galley kitchen sinks start from about 18 inches wide and they go up to 84 inches, 7 feet. That's 84 inches of beautifully formed high-grade stainless that you can prep and clean in. I typically install the 5-footers. I tried the 7, I tried the 3, the 7 was too big, the 3 was too small, I thought the 5 was just right. Here's a house that I just recently finished and we used the 5-foot Galley kitchen sink. We used a 24-inch veggie sink on the island and I used the Galley taps in this kitchen. The Galley makes their own line of faucets and they're beautifully designed, so they're a pleasure to look at and they're super functional and very high quality. And here's a hot installation tip. Your base cabinet needs to be constructed precisely to fit these sinks. You can't just go in and wing it with these sinks. My recommendation is that if you're going to use this product, you get the specifications immediately to your designer, your architect, and your contractors so they can get the rough plumbing set and design the cabinetry the right way. It's very important for these sinks. To me, the Galley.com is the Mercedes-Benz of these supersized sinks. They're incredible quality, they're beautifully designed, and to me they're worth every penny. If you have a more limited budget or you have different kind of size constraints, I would for sure look at a company called Julien. I happen to love their smart station. Julien is a company that's been around for a long time and it serves the commercial industry as well as the residential industry, so they have a super extensive product line. I love their smart station sinks for residential, but between the Galley and Julien, you can find a sink that just serves your needs beautifully and you can upsize into this supersized segment of the kitchen sink world. So I hope this was a quick win for you. I hope you got some clarity around my favorite product that I'm putting into kitchens right now. If you like this content, please hit the like button. You can also subscribe and hit the notifications so you get updated every time we release a new video. Anything you do to support us, if you like us, we truly appreciate. So thanks for being here. Send me pictures when you're done and see you soon.